Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 10 Photos app crashing with file system error. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on Start, then Settings. Now scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and underneath Windows Store Apps, click on Run. Now wait till this processor will be complete, and if pop-up and if and guys, if it will show some instructions, so follow that settings and close it and restart. So hopefully it work, and in case this method is not work, so try second one. Click on Start, type photo, click on app setting in photo, scroll down and click on repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected, and guys, still you are facing error, so you can reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted, so click on reset. If you are sure, so click on reset, and after successfully reset, close it and restart your PC or laptop. So like this guys, you can resolve Windows 10 Photos app crashing with file system. So thanks for watching, and please comment this method useful for you or not.